Hi there, this is Mark Levy, your sourdough simpleton, and today we're going to talk about not baking something, but what you bake something with. A question I've seen posed many times was how to tame recalcitrant parchment paper. So first of all, what is parchment paper anyway? Well, parchment paper is a specially treated paper that we use in baking. It has a grease-proof, non-stick coating, and it's safe in the oven up to about 450 degrees or so. You've seen me use parchment paper here on Sourdough Simpleton. For example, I baked a pizza on it. Also, when we were making soft pretzels, I put the pretzels on the parchment paper as we were making them. And even my famous rye bread that so many of you love, we baked on parchment paper on top of a pizza stone. So that's what parchment paper is. Now, how do you get it? It comes two ways. It comes in a roll or it comes in sheets. Many people feel that sheets are easier to work with, but the rolls are easier to get. After all, your local emporium, your food store, or your big box store is likely to have rolls of parchment paper. For the sheets, you're going to probably have to order them by mail. Now, if you're using a baking pan, a half-sheet baking pan like this one, then clearly a sheet is very nice because it fits right in there. But if you're using the roll, you just cut off a piece. It's going to be a little bit too big. You'll fold it down and make it fit. The problem comes when you get to the end of the roll, because here's what happens. I'll show you. You get that last little piece out of the roll, and it looks like this. And you try and put it out, and you know it doesn't want to behave. It curves back up again. You try putting it this way. That doesn't work. So what are you going to do? Here's the tip that you all need to know. To flatten this parchment paper out very easily so that it lays flat, just crinkle it up. And then spread it out, and it will lay nice and flat. This is too big, maybe you want to trim it, but it's nice and flat. So that's the little tip for the day. To flatten out your parchment paper that's rolled up, to tame the wild parchment paper, just crinkle it up and lay it back down again, and it'll be fine. Then you can go on with your baking. We'll have more for you from the Sourdough Simpleton next time. Please do subscribe to this channel. Check out the Facebook page and the website as well. And we look forward to hearing from you with your questions and comments. See you next time.